Great baking is never just about flour, water, and yeast. It's about consistency, precision, and the tools that transform simple ingredients into perfection. The best commercial dough mixer takes the hard work out of kneading, delivering stronger gluten development, smoother dough, and reliable results every batch. Let's explore the top commercial dough mixers that truly elevate every baking experience. There are many commercial dough mixers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the commercial dough mixer from top brands. This product can really help people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. The Ooni Halo Pro Spiral Mixer brings professional bakery performance into your home kitchen, making it easier than ever to create bakery-quality bread, pizza dough, pastries, and desserts with exceptional consistency. Built with advanced spiral mixing technology found in commercial bakeries and pizzerias, it combines a rotating bowl, spiral dough hook, and patent-pending removable breaker bar to develop stronger gluten networks, resulting in lighter, airier bread and perfectly elastic pizza dough. With an impressive 58 precision speed settings ranging from 60 revolutions per minute to over 1,000 revolutions per minute, you can fine-tune every mixing task for outstanding control and reliable results. Beyond dough preparation, the Ooni Halo Pro is a versatile kitchen companion that effortlessly mixes cake batter, whips cream, beats frosting, and prepares cookie dough using its included flexible beater, geared whisk, spiral dough hook, and breaker bar attachments. Designed for convenience, the mixer is easy to operate, simple to clean, and built with premium materials for long-lasting durability. Customers praise its consistent performance, ability to handle heavy whole-grain dough with ease, and professional quality construction that delivers excellent value. Although some users note a higher-pitched operating sound at certain speeds, most appreciate its quieter performance compared to traditional mixers. Whether you're an experienced baker or passionate home cook, the Ooni Halo Pro Spiral Mixer offers precision, versatility, and dependable performance for outstanding homemade baking every time. Number 2. The 5-speed electric hand mixer with an 800W motor delivers powerful performance and versatile functionality, making it an essential tool for everyday baking and cooking. Designed to handle everything from light whipping to heavy mixing, this handheld mixer effortlessly prepares cookie dough, cake batter, pancake mix, mashed potatoes, whipped cream, egg whites, and more with consistent results. Its 5 adjustable speed settings allow you to match the perfect mixing intensity for every recipe, while the convenient turbo button provides an instant boost of power when tackling thicker ingredients or demanding mixing tasks. The lightweight, compact design ensures comfortable handling without sacrificing performance, making long mixing sessions easier and less tiring. Equipped with 2 stainless steel beaters, 2 dough hooks, and 2 whisks, this mixer offers exceptional versatility for a wide range of kitchen tasks. The one-touch eject button allows quick and mess-free attachment removal, while all accessories are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. A practical storage case keeps the mixer and attachments neatly organized, reducing clutter and making every accessory easy to find. Built with durable materials and featuring front and rear air vents for efficient heat dissipation, this hand mixer is engineered for long-lasting reliability and stable operation. Whether you're an experienced baker or preparing everyday family meals, this powerful electric hand mixer delivers dependable performance, convenience, and excellent value in one compact appliance. Number 3. The GarveeTech Commercial Food Mixer 10.5 QT is a powerful, professional-grade appliance designed to meet the demanding needs of bakeries, restaurants, cafes, and serious home bakers. Featuring a spacious 10.5-quart food-grade stainless steel bowl, it can knead up to 11 pounds of dough in a single batch, making it ideal for preparing large quantities of bread, pizza, pastry, and other baked goods with exceptional efficiency. Powered by a durable 650W pure copper motor, the mixer utilizes a dual rotating system, combining a 21 revolutions per minute rotating bowl with a 159 revolutions per minute mixing attachment to ensure thorough, even mixing and superior dough development. Its modern touchscreen control panel offers precise digital operation, allowing users to easily adjust settings and timers for accurate, consistent results without the complexity of traditional mechanical controls. Safety is also a priority, with a protective shield that automatically stops operation when opened and an emergency stop button featuring a self-locking function to prevent accidental use. Built for reliability and ease of operation, this commercial mixer simplifies demanding food preparation tasks while delivering professional quality performance. Whether you're producing artisan bread, pizza dough, pastries, or other recipes, the GarveeTech commercial food mixer provides outstanding power, efficiency, durability, and consistent mixing results that help streamline any busy kitchen or baking operation. Number 4. The Commercial Dough Mixer 13.8 QD Electric Dough Maker is a high-capacity, professional-grade appliance designed to simplify large-batch dough preparation for bakeries, restaurants, cafes, cafeterias, and serious home bakers. Its durable 13.8 quart bowl is crafted from thickened 304 stainless steel and can mix up to 17.6 pounds of dough or 11.7 pounds of flour in a single batch, making it perfect for high-volume baking tasks. Equipped with a premium spiral mixing hook, it delivers fast, even mixing without leaving dry flour behind, producing smooth, well-developed dough ideal for bread, pizza, pastries, and more. The versatile design also handles meat mixtures, salads, and other ingredients with ease. An intelligent fermentation function automatically maintains an ideal temperature between 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 108 degrees Fahrenheit, helping dough rise quickly and evenly while improving texture and reducing sourness. Powered by a quiet 500W motor operating below 60 dB, it provides efficient performance without disrupting the workspace, while the built-in cooling system extends motor life for dependable long-term use. The intuitive LED touch control panel offers simple one-touch operation with an adjustable 5 to 120-minute timer for precise mixing. A convenient snap-lock detachable design allows quick disassembly and effortless cleaning, making this mixer a reliable, time-saving solution for demanding commercial and home kitchens alike. Number 5. The WantJoin Commercial Dough Mixer 10.5 QT750W is a professional-grade spiral mixer engineered to deliver exceptional performance for bakeries, restaurants, pizzerias, cafes, and dedicated home bakers. Featuring a spacious 10.5 quart, 10L, food-grade stainless steel bowl, it can efficiently mix up to 11 pounds of dough per batch, making it ideal for preparing bread, pizza, bagels, pastries, and other baked goods. Its powerful 750W motor drives an advanced dual-rotating kneading system, with the bowl rotating at 30 to 50 revolutions per minute and the spiral dough hook spinning at 120 to 230 revolutions per minute to closely replicate traditional hand kneading. This professional mixing action develops stronger gluten networks, producing smoother, more elastic dough with consistent texture and excellent baking results. The intuitive digital control panel allows precise speed adjustments and includes a programmable timer of up to 60 minutes, helping streamline food preparation while ensuring reliable consistency. A convenient one-touch reset button and clear power indicator make operation simple for both professionals and beginners. For enhanced safety, the protective guard automatically stops the mixer when opened, while the sturdy non-slip base and built-in auxiliary mixing rod provide excellent stability and thorough mixing. Constructed from durable, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, this mixer is easy to clean and built for long-lasting performance, backed by dependable customer support and 1-year product coverage. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product's price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.